If you hate washing dishes after cooking, this recipe will change your life. First, we take 500 grams of fresh chestnut mushrooms and a tablespoon of golden olive oil. Watch them vanish into the mist. Next, 4 cloves of finely chopped garlic and our secret flavor base, 1 mushroom stock pot. Everything starts with the aroma. Now, 500 milliliters of pure water and 400 grams of rich chopped tomatoes. The heart of our ragu is forming. Add 225 grams of fusilli pasta and 2 tablespoons of silky crème fraîche for that ultimate creamy texture. Finally, a handful of fresh baby spinach and 25 grams of grated parmesan. Our elements are ready. Let's cook. Imagine this. 1 pot, 25 minutes, and total comfort on a plate. Today, we're unlocking the secret to a rich, velvety mushroom ragu that rivals any Italian restaurant. It's quick, it's easy, and it's absolutely delicious. Minimal prep, maximum flavor. That's our philosophy. To get started, you'll just need to rough cut some earthy chestnut mushrooms, finely chop a few garlic cloves, and grab some fresh baby spinach. Simple ingredients, extraordinary results. Now get that casserole dish high heat, swirl in some good olive oil, and add the mushrooms. Fry them until they get that beautiful, deep golden color. Don't rush this step. That sear is where the real umami flavor lives. Next, stir in your garlic and tomatoes, bringing it to a quick boil. Now add the dissolved mushroom stock and a touch of crème fraîche for creaminess. Toss in the fusilli pasta, cover it, and let it simmer for 10 minutes until the pasta is perfectly tender. The magic moment. Remove from heat. Gently fold through a generous handful of Parmesan cheese and the baby spinach until it just wilts into the sauce. Look at that incredible texture. Serve it up and enjoy a perfect midweek vegetarian masterpiece.